Howdy! Welcome to my Name Mnemonic project I have done in order to help speed up the process for my fellow mentors and peers in attempts of learning my name. I am of course the one pictured on the screen, and my name is Khiara Estrada, and with that being said, let's get started. First off, for my first name, which is Khiara, I decided to go ahead and correlate my golden blonde hair. Sorry for the photo, it's a little filtered, so excuse the dimness of it, but when you think of my golden blonde hair and my name, a way to remember it is by saying the word tiara. Both shine and are nice to look at, but let's be realistic here. We all know the tiara isn't real gold in this economy, and that I'm not genuinely a blonde either. And secondly, for my last name, in the picture you can clearly see someone short and stumpy, with not so much of a long torso at all, which in a way closely resembles that of a Coke can, which is also short and stumpy. And for the first portion of my name, there's a Coke named Est, but it's European, and for the second part of my last name, I use the infamous brand that is Prada, which is also European. So therefore, when you combine both, therefore the Coke Est and Prada, the brand, rhymes with Estrada. And now it's time for some fun facts about me. So first off, I'd like to begin by saying I'm a first-generation Aggie. I absolutely love A&M and wouldn't want it any other way. And if in case you were wondering, yes, those overalls in the picture were handmade by me. But most importantly, I was born in Piedras Negras, Coahuila, which is located in Mexico. And now proceeding to my family, I am the middle child. I have an older sister, she's 21, named Leslie, and I have a smaller brother named David, he's 10. I'm a huge mama's girl, and she's pictured on the left. I'm literally her mini-me. And on the right, my dad is pictured. My dad passed away earlier this year during spring break, but nonetheless, regardless, I will forever be a daddy's girl as well in my heart. Also, another part of the family, she isn't necessarily human, but we really do treat her as so, is my French poodle named Holly. She is the love of our lives, and she is basically my kid in a way. And also, fun fact about me, my nickname that I've obtained over the years is Key. So people will, instead of saying my entire name, would just kind of say the first part and will just call me Key. And they'll literally spell it out the way that the word Key is spelled. So yeah, that's the nickname that I've obtained over the years. And most importantly, I'm super happy that I enrolled in this class on Friday. It's barely been the first lecture, and I'm already so infatuated with the entire, subject and all, and I can't wait to see what else I'm going to be learning in this course due to our professor. So yeah, I can't wait to see what this semester has in store. And yeah, that's all about me. Thanks for listening. Thanks, and gig 'em.